everyone, I'm your Deepa. Today we are going to see about Parva. Actually, I was hearing that Parva. So I was excited to know about Parva. So today we'll go and see what is Parva, why that is Parva, what that Parva will do for us. Okay, come guys, we'll see what is Parva. We are here in Parva Millet Health Mix. Come, let's see. Okay, now we are here inside Parva Millet Health Mix unit. Now onwards we'll see how they will do, how they are going to manufacture and what and all ingredients they are using. Three kinds of Parvas, we have saw that. Next we'll move on to what and all ingredients they have used. Now we'll see what kind of ingredients they have used, what and all they have used. Here we can see 34 kinds of grains. We can see lots of there. Oh my god, I didn't see only before and all olden days they was using these kind of grains, but nowadays I didn't see only. Nowadays we will make only sambar and all, only rasam, but we didn't use all these grains, and with this they have used 10 kinds of leaves. Here we can see they have mixed all kinds of leaves here. Yes, we can see here. Yeah, in these 10 kinds of leaves they have used. That also healthy leaves. What and all will give protein and all that kinds of leaves they have used. Why they have used these ingredients? For our blood pressure, if it is blood pressure, for that it will control, and if cold bodied persons or hot bodied persons, in that situation these ingredients will manage their bodies, they will take them to control, and like this so much importance and benefits is there in these ingredients. Next we'll see how they'll these and all ingredients they have used. Next step, what is that? We'll see next step. Before going to next step, I forgot to say something, so I'll say that it now. And those ingredients they'll get it from farmers. They'll get it from farmers, then they'll clean it. After that they'll start to fry. Here we can see that all workers are frying those ingredients, and they are maintaining good, nicely working, and they have wore mask and caps. How nicely they are doing work, and this is the next step, and we'll see what is the next step after this frying. Okay, after frying, what is the next step? We'll see what is the next step. Here we can see all ingredients are mixed here. Everything is mixed here. After frying, they have kept it for drying. After drying, we'll see what is the next step. Okay, after drying all those ingredients, what they are gonna do? After frying, they'll make it powder. All those they'll mix. After that, they'll make it as a powder. Again, they'll make it powder. Again, they'll clean it. Here we can see that they are cleaning again. They'll clean again. Then they'll pack. What is the next step? After this cleaning the powder, what is? Okay. After cleaning that powder, they'll leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Minimum 3 to 4 hours they will leave that powder. After that, they'll start to pack. Like they'll measure it for 500 grams. Then they'll seal it. Then they'll pack it. Pack it means inside one box they'll put 2 packets. Like 500 grams of 2 packets they'll put inside box. We can get this Parva all over the India. Yes, I think everybody got cleared about Parva, right? I think I have told everything. I didn't miss anything, I think. Okay, now my suggestion is the benefit of this Parva is it will control our blood pressure, and it will control in muscles improvements and brain activities. Like this, many benefits is there. Starting itself I have mentioned everything. Again I am telling that it will very benefit for us, and nowadays nobody is taking care of her health. Like everybody will go morning and they'll come night, they are not taking care of our health. Like till coming sickness for us, we won't care about our health, right? I'm telling that don't do that. Now onwards we have to care our health. Like we have to use Parva, we have to improve our health. And one more thing is we have to start our day with Parva only. This is my suggestion. Thank you.